Hi there, my name is Kim, and you're going to learn how to open a Blockto wallet in just under a minute. Blockto is a great wallet choice for your crypto or NFTs, especially if you're in the Flow ecosystem. Alright, so first things first, we'll need to download our app. So in the App Store or Google Play, we're going to search up Blockto by Porto. Once you find that, go ahead and install that on your phone. Once your phone is done installing, go ahead and open up the app. You're going to land on the first page and you'll notice that we have two options. First is sign in and the second one is create account. Go ahead and click create account. Sign up is super easy. All you need is your email address. So go ahead and enter your email. Next thing, you're going to check your inbox for your one-time 6-digit code. Enter that in the app and voila, that's it. You have your wallet. Alright, so let's get familiar with our different tabs. So your first page is news and articles. Your second page is an explore page where you can discover things you could do with Blockto. And the third page is your wallet, the most important page, where you can see all your funds and collections. And the last page is where you could find your account settings. That's it! Now you're all set to collect the coolest NFTs on the Flow blockchain.